Ever wondered why? Why birds can sit on electric wires and not get electrocuted? It's all about electricity's favorite path, the shortest route to the ground. When a bird perches on just one wire, the current has nowhere to go. No difference in voltage. So, the electricity just keeps moving through the wire and leaves the bird alone. But, if the bird touched another wire or the pole at the same time, it would create a path to the ground. And zap. So, next time you see birds chilling on wires, remember, they're safe because they're smart about where they stand. Stay curious. Subscribe for more facts.